True south versus magnetic south. If the location of a place is in the northern hemisphere, the panel should be placed facing the south direction, and vice versa for proper orientation of the panel. For that, we need to understand about true south and true north. True south is the direction towards the southern end of the axis about which the earth rotates, called the South Pole. The South Pole is located in the Antarctica region. Magnetic south is the direction towards the south magnetic pole, some distance away from the south geographic pole. True north versus magnetic north. True north is the direction towards the northern end of the axis, about which the earth rotates, called the North Pole. The North Pole is located in the middle of the Arctic region. Magnetic north is the direction towards the north magnetic pole, some distance away from the north geographic pole. The difference between true south and magnetic south is meager for India, varying between plus or minus 2 degrees. India is located in northern hemisphere and the orientation of solar panels should be in southern direction. Interspacing between rows. In the previous slide, we understood how to place the panels for maximum output. But the shadow of one string or panel row falling on another string may reduce the system output. For that, the spacing between the two panel rows or strings needs to be calculated before installation. Let us see how to calculate the spacing between the rows. The interspacing between rows can be calculated by using altitude angle calculation. The formula for calculating minimum inter-row spacing is D is equal to H divided by tan alpha, where D is equal to the minimum distance between the rows, H is equal to the height differential between the top of one row and the bottom of the row to the north. Alpha is equal to the solar altitude angle. The shadow falls perpendicular to a south-facing array only when the sun is located at true south during winter solstice in the sky. The first step for doing manual inter-row spacing calculations is to generate a sun path chart for the project site. For this, we have to first find the site's specific latitude and longitude. These are easy to obtain using the free version of Google Earth software. For example, for Chennai, by placing the Add Place Mark icon in the interested project location, we will find the coordinates, latitude and longitude of the location.